Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have Vscode and a shell ready, so start by opening your workspace and invoking the integrated terminal. Press Ctrl+ or choose View then Terminal to spawn it. Once done, you'll see the panel docked at the bottom. Make sure it's focused so commands run in your project path. This first step creates the runtime environment for shells and tasks, and it's the gateway to configuring profiles and key bindings that follow. Now configure which shell you want by editing integrated terminal profiles in Settings. This lets you add Bash, PowerShell, WSL, or custom executables. Once you add a profile, set it as the default so new terminals open correctly. If binaries aren't found, update path or pass shell arguments to set login behavior. This ensures your environment matches an interactive shell. After changing settings, restart the integrated terminal so the new profile and environment variables take effect. Finish by learning productivity features. Split terminals, create new terminals, and bind keys for quick access so you can run multiple sessions. Then wire common commands into tasks. JSON so builds and tests run inside the integrated terminal. If the terminal doesn't appear or behaves oddly, reload the window, disable extensions that modify the terminal, and verify the shell executable path in Settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.